students, today we are about to learn the direct speech and direct speech, and before that we had learned also direct speech and indirect speech, but there were few rules. Now we have taken some rules. So first rule is here that when the reported speech conveys a general truth, it means that the tense of the reported speech remains unchanged. The tense of the reported speech remains unchanged in some situations. So here that we are learning how the tense is changed, but in some the tense of the reported speech remain unchanged. So first rule is here. You can see that first rule, that is the when the reported speech conveys a general truth or scientific fact. When the reported speech conveys a general truth or scientific fact, then it means that in this situation that tense of the in a direct speech remain unchanged. So first is here example, chemistry teacher said carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. This is sentence is into the direct speech. So here how direct speech, because capital letter, it means that inverted commas and capital letter. So here you can see carbon dioxide is a poisonous gas. So this is the general truth, isn't it? It cannot be changed. Therefore that is called the general truth. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. And another general truth is that sun revolves around, I would say, earth revolve around the sun. This is the general truth that cannot be changed. So here chemistry teacher said carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. Direct speech. So in the direct speech, in the indirect speech, chemistry teacher said that carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. Did we change the tense? No. Why? Because what happened here, this is the carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. This is a general truth. Therefore we did not change the tense. Then next, Sheila said to us the weather in London is very good. This is the direct speech, isn't it? Sorry students, here should I place a inverted comma, isn't it? Then here that what is the sentence? The Sheila said to us the weather in London is very good. Direct speech. Because why? Capital letter and inverted comma. Because why? Because that this is the general truth. So in this situation that we don't have to invent that when the reported speech conveys a general truth or scientific fact at that time. This is the this is the scientific fact. So this is, it means that tense will not change. It means tense remain unchanged in this situation. Then the second rule, when the information is relevant at the time of the being reported. It means that you can say information was being given or is being given at that time. We don't have to change the tense. When the information is relevant at the time of its being reported. So at that time, example that direct speech, the airport officer said the flights are being delayed. So this sentence is being told in front of the passengers, isn't it? So therefore this is the time of being reported. Are you getting? Time of being reported. So therefore we don't have to change the tense. The airport officer had told that the flights are being delayed. Tense, which is the tense? Passive voice of present continuous, and this is the passive voice of also present continuous. Did we change the tense? No. Why? Because the action is being done in front of the I mean to say on the time or in front of the passengers. Therefore change was not change here. It means change, I mean to say tense remain unchanged. Which situation that you can see at the time of its being reported. Then next, my father said I prefer eating food well cooked. Direct speech. Which is how it is direct speech? Because inverted commas both sides and capital start by a capital letter. So then now while converting direct to indirect, what we are so here my father said that he prefers eating food well cooked. So it means that it means that this action was being done, isn't it? At that time Therefore we don't have to change the tense. So here that my father said I prefer eating food, isn't it, well cooked. My father said that he prefers eating food well cooked. Did we change the tense? No. Are you getting that? I prefer, he prefers, simple present. We did not change tense. Why? Because this is the action was being done on the time. So therefore we did not change the tense. So students, today we discuss about the tense remain unchanged, isn't it? In some situations, that in the first situation that this is the general truth or scientific fact. In this sentence, this is the carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. So therefore, we did not change the tense. In another sentence, that weather in London is very good. This is scientific fact. Therefore, we did not change tense. And here, the action was being on the time. It means that information is relevant at that time of its being reported. So at that time, in this situation, we also did not change the tense. And here that also this that action of time is being reported. Therefore in this sentence we did not change tense. Simple present, simple present. Then this is the present continuous passive voice. Here be form of is amar. Here also be form of is amar, isn't it? How in this sentence you can see is. Then here general truth. So general truth. So but here tense that monoxide is B form, and also here is the B form. So we in this situation we don't have to change the tense. So students, I hope you might have understood this some rules about the direct and indirect speech. So soon we will meet in next our new rules of the direct and indirect speech. So stay safe, stay home, don't go anywhere.